Hi, welcome to Nashville North Studios. We're here to give you the last look at our last show, which is called The Sound of Color. Here's the little poster with a group show, The Sound of Color, and the solo show of Ericka Midiri. I will tell you, we had the Midiri brothers here with their beautiful music, and it was a real treat. If you weren't able to come, we hope you'll be able to hear them in the future. Let's go inside now and see the show. You ready? Here we go. I'll give you a sweep around the room. So over here on the wall at the top right, we have a piece by Mary Place. She does digital art. Let's see if we can get closer. Beside Mary's piece is a Grace Zambelli painting. Then below both of them is a photograph by William West. And over there in the corner is a Bistenta beside Shana Kestrel's Dragonfly from her Soul Retrieval collection. And over next to the Dragonfly, we have Tim Faherty's painting, Morning Has Broken. There's Morning Has Broken. Beautiful, huh? Shirley Hawthorne has brought us an oil painting. This is called High Notes and Low. The first time with us in a group show is Kim Weiland's piece, After the Storm. This is an oil on canvas panel. And below that we have Song of the Heart by Teresa Kenish. We'll go back up here to the top and I'll walk back a little bit. We have Blue at the top by G. Matthew Dixon, who also did the orange one over there in the corner above Bistenta's orange piece. Susan Wining is up on the left, Barry Pizetner, and another Bistenta. So beside Blue, up here we have Christine O'Brien's piece. Christine does very interesting work with paper and paint. And this one is called Wildlife Solitude. Beautifully framed. Her husband Ed makes the frames. Very nice piece. Beside Christine's piece is a Bistenta called Marching. And here we have Charlotte Carney's piece, painting of the flowers in a vase. And these flowers for you. Can you smell them? Under Charlotte's piece is a piece entitled Recycled by Lindsay Ray. It's a photograph on metal. And beside that piece is another from the Soul Retrieval collection called Seed Scatterer by Shana Kestrel. With each of these paintings from the Soul Retrieval collection, Shana has written an original poem. And we'll go over here to the purple wall, back up so you can see the whole purple wall, which you may have seen in photographs. At the top right, we have a Gail Beckley piece. It's a photograph. In it, she captured that smoke that traveled from California, from the fires, all the way to the East Coast. Under that one is one by Sue Ireland called Decorative Winter Cabbage. Piece that's still available here is Little Jewels by Tina Sacco. She made 4 of these in different colors, and this is the only one that's still available. I think it's as sweet as can be. And here we have a beautiful oil painting of a bird by Chuck Law. Look at how dimensional that is. Just really lovely. And under it, Charlie Ray has created Notes of Color. I'll back up a little bit so you can see that. All on wood, rare woods. Very nice. Back up to the top of the wall, we have 2 Shana Kestrels at the top, and in between that is another Tina Sacco, Little Jewels. And the large piece in the middle is a photograph. It's a compilation of 4 photographs of train cars that Bill West did. I believe they're down by Tuckahoe. He went down there to see them. Look at that color. And each one is its own artistic creation. Isn't it wild what people can do with a can of paint? And down below those we have, and I'll back up again, we have 2 Cheryl Patton Woos, one on each side, and another Tiny Jewel by Tina Sacco in the middle. Now Cheryl Patton Woo is a fabric and thread artist, and she creates her works, as you can see, by application, much as a painter would use paint. This piece is called Milagro del Pandemico. And this piece is called Yearning. So see the heart? The heart is in both of them. On the bottom here, we have a piece by G. Matthew Dixon that's called Autumn Symphony. And then we have this piece which just sold today, done by Michael Zambelli, called Pink GE. And if you're old enough to know what that is, that's a radio. Here's another Little Jewels by Tina Sacco. Aren't they sweet? Then above that is Flutterby #1, which is That's not the name of this, so I'm not sure why that's there. That's by me, but we'll have to fix that tag. And above that, we have a beautiful photograph by Bob Boyd. And I'm sorry about the reflection. This one is called Wild Hibiscus. Beautifully framed, signed, and ready to hang on your wall. Over here, we have another wall. I don't know if you've seen this one or not. At the top, we have a pencil drawing by Susan Ireland on either side of that one. On each side are Carol Jimenez's work. And then the center and the bottom center are by Renee Leopardi. They're both pastels. On the left of the guitar player, we have a piece by Lois Baird and a piece by Janice Quiggle. Give you a little closer look. And over here we have a photograph by Ken Thompson called Sunrise, and The Dance by Janice Quiggle. And there's the one at the top again by Carol Jimenez. And up here at the very top, it's hard to see, almost impossible, but there you see a slight reveal of the birds by Marlene Dorr. And on this panel, we have 4 pieces by Sandra Koberlane, and one in the center by Kathleen Arliff, which is a watercolor. This is called Spring Jam. And Sandra Koberlane's pieces are untitled, number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they're monotypes with India ink. And they're each a little different, as you can see. This is a little piece by Nancy Palermo. Isn't that sweet? And a faux lamp by Charlie Ray. His woodworking has really taken on a new life. We have original pieces by Jason Antonelli. Very interesting. He does one almost every day. It's hard to see with the reflection, I apologize. We have some photographs from California by an artist who has just come here to us, and also from Wildwood. She's living down in that area now. We have jewelry, earrings by Shirley Hawthorne, and earrings, jewelry, let's see, necklaces, brooches by Arlene Grouch. You can see the colors in them. That's a necklace. And any one of these can hang on the necklace. See? then let's go over here and look at this panel. We have 5 artists on this panel. The top is Sue Rao, and Mimi is right under that. Ken Thompson's photograph. Doreen Kebzu and Carmela is at the bottom. Take a little closer look at these. Start with Carmela's. Reminiscent of Van Gogh in her color usage and strokes. And this is called Shake It Off by Carmela Palata. And this is called Brigantine Sunset by Doreen Kebzu. Isn't that just lovely? And this is a photograph called, and I'm going to show it to you because I don't think I can say it. Oh. Let's see, can we see that? Shin Rin Yoku by Ken Thompson. Very poetic. And then Mimi's piece. Ode to Georgia O'Keeffe almost, isn't it? And then the Songbird at the top by Sue Rao. Here on this panel we have 2 pieces by Michael Waters. Let me back up a little bit. Beautiful pieces. And here's another Michael Waters over here. He even painted the frame on this one. Is that stunning? I have a birdhouse by Charlie Ray in the window with some clay works by Gail. A little Cheryl Patton Wu on a square there, as you can see. And B. Stenta's painting, full of energy. And here we are back here. Susan Wining's at the top. Barry Pizetner and B. Stenta with a G. Matthew Dixon back there. So let's go along here and we'll go into the solo room now to see the work of Ericka Midiri. Very colorful. Ericka's husband has the Midiri brothers, so she has a lot of musical inspiration. And her works reflect that color, New York City color, nightlife color, nature's color in her photographs. She's all about color, and that's called fauvism. So she's a painter with bold strokes and bold color. If you watched Ericka's Art Talk, it's also on our YouTube channel. She talks about her work and its creation. You can give a little listen to that and find out how she does what she does. All these works are available for purchase. We can ship them to you, or you can come by and pick them up, or we can drop them on your porch if you're local. There's the Broadway Theater. Can you hear the music? I think her work is wonderful. And this is her husband. So give us a call if you're interested in any of these. We're here to help you make your walls look pretty at home. And now that we're at home a lot more, it's really important that we like what we see. And everything in here is very likable. So thank you very much. Our next show coming up is called Counterculture. Barry Pizetner will be in this room, and that opens the fourth Friday of this month by reservation. So give us a call. Let us know how we can help you. Take care. Bye-bye.